As part of our efforts to keep our schools clean and disinfected, Roanoke County Public Schools is taking some extra steps to combat COVID-19. We're using Virex, a viricide recommended by the CDC and the EPA to kill the COVID-19 virus, and in a diluted form is perfectly safe for use in schools. Diluted Virex is almost clear, while undiluted Virex is deep purple in color. Each classroom is supplied with a spray bottle of diluted Virex and paper towels. Following each class, teachers will spray Virex on tables, desks, and chairs. Then, students will briefly wipe down their table or desk and their chair, allowing these surfaces to dry naturally. At the end of the school day, in addition to regular cleaning, custodial crews will be liberally applying Virex to hard surfaces and then waiting at least 10 minutes for the Virex to take action. After 10 minutes, crews will wipe off the excess solution so that the surface remains damp. The surface will naturally dry. Similarly, crews are using electrostatic sprayers to daily disinfect playgrounds. These sprayers will apply a thin layer of viricide that will naturally dry in the outside air after a few minutes. School buses will be disinfected daily using a similar spraying system. This is in addition to our drivers spraying down seats after each bus run. Electrostatic sprayers will be used weekly throughout each school building to provide a deeper level of disinfecting.